As a pastor here in the nation's capital, I cannot tell you how excited I am about MCS introducing the idea of hub churches. Over the years, I've watched some of our students go off to MCS to be trained for ministry, focusing on the academics that would best prepare them for what's ahead. But I've often wondered what would happen if they were able to stay in their local context, to be involved in either their home church or one of the area churches, and to have the expertise of pastors from that area helping shape them in the pragmatics of ministry. Well, hub churches allow this very thing. It provides a collective gathering point for the academic component while allowing students to stay in a church, whether it's their home church or a church in the area, and provide the hands-on training that will best prepare them for ministry. Not only does this provide both the pragmatics and the academics, it also raises a huge potential that these students could live at home and reduce their cost of education incredibly. Friends, this is a benefit for our fellowship, allowing us to come together to collaboratively invest in our students. And it's also a benefit for our local churches by allowing our best students to stay in the area to get their theological training while providing them the opportunities to be involved in the ministries of our churches. I see hub churches as a huge win. It's a win for the students. It's a win for the local church. It's a win for the Pentecostal Assemblies of Canada. But most importantly, hub churches is a win for the kingdom of God.